Welcome back, Mongo Fix. Well, we just clean up all these little guys. Mongo was wondering if can reuse vinegar. These torsion bar keys from an old avalanche. You remember avalanche? They not been cleaned up at all. We're gonna see if the old vinegar that we just used still have enough to clean those up too. Kind of like Evaporust. It'd say it reusable until it stopped working. So let's see if vinegar will do it. One thing Mongo find interesting is this just little cover. Mongo was just sitting it on loosely. Try to cut down evaporation. Don't want to seal it totally because the vinegar, when it eat the rust, it make hydrogen gas. So you want to be able to vent that. The evaporation that was being done, it get on the cover. Well, Mongo forget about this thing. Was trying to look at it again in a week, but it's been 10 days now. Almost look like there's a rust shell on the surface of this thing. So that kind of neat. Look like the rust evaporated up. Well, let's see what we got after 10 days. Well, we get our bucket of soapy water here. Dunk these guys in. These ones ain't done. You can really see how much delamination these had. So these were really rusty. Probably need at least another week in the vinegar before they're super shiny. Boy, Mongo like vinegar for rust removal. It's just so good and it's so cheap. Well, that answered the question. Vinegar, it is reusable. Just looks really yucky. Well, if you like this video, be sure to like this video. If you like this video and other videos from Mongo Fix, be sure to subscribe. Mongo always working on all sorts of stuff. And actually, Mongo gonna clean these up, so stay tuned to Mongo Fix. You'll see what Mongo do with these keys. He got special plan for them. Mongo, thank you.